Hi, welcome to the Hershey RV Show. I'm here with Dustin from Keystone RV. Dustin, you want to introduce yourself and the rig we're going to see today?
Absolutely. My name is Dustin Tavernier. I'm with Keystone RV. Today I'm going to introduce you to the Arcadia 246, which is a brand new model for us, a brand new rear kitchen. This is part of our Super Lite series, so we're excited to come this year to the show with 10 units, 8 of which are all Super Lites. So you're talking, the advantage of that is lightweight, easy to tow, and then great features, as you'll see as we walk around.
Perfect.
Once again, welcome. I wanted to introduce you this morning to the Arcadia. One big thing with Arcadia as we come into this year's Hershey, it's got an entire makeover, both exterior and interior. So as we walk around, one thing you're gonna notice right out of the gate is the exterior itself. So entire change of graphics, the way we've configured the metal, excuse me. So you're gonna see a nice fresh look from us. Starting up front in the Arcadia, one thing I definitely wanted to point out is the fact that this year, for the second year in a row, we've got our lithium batteries on board on most of the Arcadias here at the show. So definitely on this 246, and then also highlighted one of the industry best as far as our warranty. So great front compartment, lithium batteries, ready to rock and roll. That is all a part of our Solar Flex program. So there's already a 200-watt solar panel on top of the Arcadia. So we're getting soaking in the sun today and using that for some positive energy. As you head around, one big thing with the Arcadia, when we came out with this, we wanted to provide a super pass-through in the sense of how it looks, nothing impeding it. Really looks like the trunk of your car, a very automotive finish to it. This is a true pass-through. So this door on this side, the opposite door is the exact same size. And as you can see, just a perfect space for all of your gear. One thing on all of your Arcadias, we do have a 35,000 BTU furnace. So getting plenty of heat and hot water, all that good stuff. On the opposite side, I began to mention the hot water heater. That's a tankless hot water heater. So again, all of your products from Arcadia, you don't have to worry about hot water whatsoever. One nice thing and a big switch for us, the Lippert steps. Adjustable, very friendly. As you can see, lightweight. I'm just popping this up in, hit the latch, and you're letting her down and ready to rock and roll. One nice thing about your Arcadia is we're running a high-spec tire, which has a 6-year warranty on it. That warranty also, there's one year where there's absolutely no questions asked. So you get a hole, a flat tire or a nail, they're going to repair that. The cool part about high-spec, those are assembled right in Detroit, Michigan, which is kind of cool when it comes to tires, something a little bit different for us. Nice little grab handle, and then of course a little bit of a beer opener here for you. Nice. One nice thing about this new 246, oh, it's locked, outside kitchen, but one big thing I wanted to point out, full awning on this. So oftentimes as you cruise around the Hershey show, you're not gonna have your outside kitchen typically underneath the awning. With Arcadia, that was a major focus from our product team, was to provide you not only the outside kitchen, but the covered outside kitchen, to where there's no issue when you have inclement weather. Lastly, before we head in, we do have an auto level system. So this is the ground control system. So it's a one touch and your unit will automatically level. Great system from our partners at Lippert.
Very nice.
Welcome inside the new Arcadia 246. One thing as you look around, I mentioned as we started this, on the outside, we've done an entire makeover. On the inside, very similar. So I'll just point out new wallboard, our new cabinetry, where we've got a nice glaze to it, new countertops. So as you come into the Arcadia this year, you're gonna find an entire new look versus 1 year ago. So this rear kitchen, as mentioned, this is a part of our Super Lite series. So you're talking about a unit that's only 7,900 pounds. So very easy to tow. Really going after that half-ton towable market, so we're excited about that. You can see in the 246 an enormous amount of countertop space. We've got a great sink, nice utility center where you've got a split sink as well, which is nice, so that you can have your clean dishes versus the dirty and kind of function through that. As you cruise around, we also wanted to continue to offer just a huge amount of cabinet space and then some great pantry space just to the left of our Fear-End refrigerator. We are running all 12-volt refrigerators in all of our Arcadias, both our full-size Arcadia, and then our Super Lite series that we're standing in here. One nice thing about the 246, you've got some great theater seating with chargers. You've got heat. You have the massage feature to them as well. So a very relaxing atmosphere as you head into here. One big thing as we coming out of the kitchen, we've got a huge space here for dining. As you can see, we've supplied a couple of extra chairs, so you can either dine 2, 4, whatever works for you. And then something slick, when you are watching TV, obviously you can have that in a great position, and then when you're wanting to enjoy the doorside campsite, just pop that down. So very functional, really great use of space back here. And then actually just behind you here, as you walk in, we wanted to really provide that bench slash locker feel. So as you come in, you've got the ability to hang your four coats, sit down and change your shoes, and then a little bit of shoe storage underneath there as well. Once you head into the bathroom, we've got a great setup in here for you. We've got 2 big linen cabinets just to the right of the toilet here. And then also some great space here, countertop space, 3 drawers, again, another cabinet, and then this is all new again, a nice medicine cabinet with your mirror system in here. So I mentioned outside the endless hot water heater, so all of your hot water, you can actually function within the bathroom, so you're able to adjust temp to make sure that everything is rocking and rolling. Inside our shower, you can see we've got a little bit of a bench seat, and then some great space for all of your toiletries. Really wanting to make this as residential as possible. Welcome into the master suite of the 246. One thing I wanted to point out, in all of our Super Lites, we do have a wardrobe slide. So as you come in, each of your Super Lites open up so nice. You've got hanging storage, and then your his and her drawers. One nice thing in here, if you desire even additional storage, everything is clean underneath your 60 by 80 queen bed. One thing I'd like to point out too, for those of you that are looking not only at Arcadia, but at other products, we've got an enormous amount of space at the foot of the bed. You're not going to find this in all of our competitors here at Hershey. So some great walk around space. As you can see, we've got plenty of electricity we're providing to you, charging stations, some overhead, and then of course the second AC so that we can keep things cool. One thing in all of your Arcadias, and the Roman shades, a feature that we had decided to invest in when we originally launched Arcadia, and we continue with that. We're finding, one, it's a great blackout feature, very easy to function. You don't have a cumbersome cord, so pretty easy, and that's throughout most all spots. We can't do this behind stoves and ovens and that type of thing, but yep, Roman shade, again, something that we want to provide that really residential feel to it, and a great residential function as well. Thank you again on behalf of me, on behalf of Keystone RV, and of course the Hershey Show, for just taking a few minutes to allow me to introduce you to the Arcadia 246 this morning. Please, whether you're coming to the show or have a minute to visit Keystone RV's website, take a look at Arcadia, take a look at our Super Lites and our full-size Arcadia product offerings, and we hope to see you soon.
Hi, Chuckles the Squirrel here. Thanks everyone for watching this video, and if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, hit that subscribe button. Take care everyone.